Hi boys and girls, hi to all the mummies and daddies at home. My name is Elenna and I'm going to take you through a kid's yoga class today. Let's sit down in our space crisscross and take 3 big balloon breaths together. In through the nose, out through the mouth, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Last one. Good job. I want you to close your eyes and think about someone that you love. All right, let's begin. We're gonna start in butterfly. So you're gonna bring soles of your feet together, open up your legs like big butterfly wings, and let's flap our wings together today. We're gonna warm up our legs and our hips with our butterfly wings. Good job at home. And next, let's go into dragonfly. So open up your legs nice and wide. We're gonna reach our hands forward as far as we can. Get a nice big stretch. Let's take 3 big balloon breaths here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Next, let's go into caterpillar. So we're gonna extend our legs nice and long, and we're gonna reach for our toes. Are you ready? 3 big balloon breaths here. 1, 2, last one. 3, reach, 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 reach. Let's lay down on our backs. We're gonna go into happy baby. You're gonna bend up your knees, open the knees wide, hang on to the outside edges of your feet if you can, and let's rock side to side, rocking our happy babies. Good job at home. And let's settle and take 3 big breaths here. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Give yourself a big hug. Let's rock side to side a few times here. I want you to think about how much you love yourself. And next, let's make our way into tabletop. So we're gonna have our hands under our shoulders and our knees under our hips. Good job at home, and let's do some cat and cow stretches. So pull your tummy in, let your head hang. Look all the way up to the sky. Pull our tummies in, let your head hang heavy, round the spine. Look all the way up. Let's do that one more time. Pull the tummy in, let your head hang. Look all the way up to the sky. Good job at home. Next, let's tuck our toes and we're gonna go into downward facing dog. You're gonna lift our hips nice and high, and we're gonna walk the dog. So bend up one knee and then the other, wagging our puppy dog tails at home. And let's try one-legged dog. So lift one leg up and try your best to balance. And then try the other leg. Good job, and let's walk the dog again. You guys are doing great at home. Let's drop down and let's do another cat and cow. Pull your tummy in, let your head hang. Look all the way up to the sky. Let's do that 2 more times. Pull your tummy in. Look all the way up to the sky 1 more time. And all the way up. Good job at home. Next, let's come down into cobra pose. So we're gonna straighten our legs, elbows right underneath our shoulders. We're gonna lift our chest and take 3 big balloon breaths here. 1, 2, 3. Great job at home. Next, let's turn into superheroes and fly. So reach your arms out, lift up your legs, and let's fly in the air, being Superman or Supergirl. Great job. Flying through the air using your strong muscles at home. And next, let's swim. So reach your arms out, reach your legs out, and let's swim through the water together. Swimming, swimming, swimming. Great job at home. And next, let's go into bow pose. Bend up your legs. We're gonna grab onto your feet. And take a nice deep breath. We're gonna kick into our hands, lift up your chest. Good job. 3 big breaths here. 1, 2, 3. Let go of your legs. Great job at home. Let's move into child's pose. So bend up your knees, reach your arms out, let your head come down to the floor. Let's take 3 big breaths here. 1, 2, 3. Great job at home. Let's come and kneel down in our space. Good job. Let's take 3 more breaths together. 1, 2, 3. Great job. I want you to think about your favorite fruit. Now let's close out our class like mummies and daddies do. Bring your hands to your heart center. Let's say our special word together. Are you ready? Namaste. The good in me sees the good in you. And together, we are all connected. Have a great day, boys and girls. I hope you had fun.